Hello friends, today we are going to learn the exam questions of chapter number 1 Living and Non-Living Things, chapter number 4 Birds' Behavior and Their Feeding Habits, chapter number 6 Housing, chapter number 12 Rocks and Soil, part E Long question answers. Question number 1. Write any 3 uses of soil. The 3 uses of soil are: we get many minerals from the soil. Soil is home to many minerals. Tiny insects like ants, worms like earthworm, millipedes, centipedes, rats, etc. Plants need soil to grow. Question number 2. Name the kinds of feathers birds have. Answer: the kinds of feathers are body feather. These feathers help to give shape to the bird's body. Flight feathers. They helps the bird's body to fly. Tail feathers. These feathers help the bird to change direction and stop while flying. Part B. Short question answers. From where do plants get their food? Answer: plants can make their own food using air, water and sunlight. Question number 2. Why do the things in the house should be dusted regularly? Answer: the things in the house should be dusted regularly to remove dust that comes in with air. Question number 3. Why loamy soil is good for plants? Answer: loamy soil is best for growing plants as it is a mixture of sand and clay. It can hold enough air and water. Part C. Fill in the blanks. First, dash are the tiny stone pieces found on the earth. Pebbles. Question number 2. Garbage should be thrown in dash dustbins. Third, dash makes its nest by sewing large leaves. Tailor bird. Fourth, plants breathe through dash on their leaves. Question number 4. Plants breathe through dash stomata or air holes. Fifth, birds are animals with dash feet. 2. Part D. True false. First, rock and minerals are man-made things. False. Natural things. Second, nose, lungs, gills and air holes are organs of movement. False. Breathing. Third, loamy soil contains air, water and humus. True. Stone is the top layer of the earth. False. Soil. Fifth, very small living beings that cause diseases are called animals. False. Germs. Part E. Match 8. Answer: airy, ventilated. House on poles, stilt house. Breathe in oxygen. Bottle-shaped weaver bird's nest. Jewelry, diamond. Clay soil, twice. Thank you friends. Bye bye.